Salut, bonjour, comment allez-vous? Ça va bien? Ça va bien? Je vais bien, merci. So how did you write the test yesterday? Les jours de la semaine. Study and write. Understand? I will give all the questions. You study, you replay the same video. Today's test is fourth test, lesson 4. You are going to fill up these blanks with indefinite articles, and yun. When will you write find out these nouns are masculine or feminine. If it's masculine, write if it's feminine, write yun. Understand? Replay the lesson 4. It's a good revision, good method of writing preparing for the test. Understand? And keep record of all your marks. It's a series of tests. At the end of this series, we will discuss everything. In the first test, how much you got. Second test, third test. Understand? Keep a record of your answer sheets and marks. Got it? Now we learn the time, the hour, HOUR, l'heure. The pronunciation, often we mispronounce HOUR in English. It is hour. Okay, hour. Okay, l'heure, the time, l'heure. The question goes like this. Quelle heure est-il maintenant? Maintenant is additional. You keep this maintenant or drop it, no problem. Maintenant you know now. Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure? What time is it? Quelle heure est-il maintenant? Fine. What time is it now? The answer is il est 2 heures. You know these numbers. It is 2 o'clock. Il est 5 heures. It is 5 o'clock. Il est 9 heures. It is 9 o'clock. Il est 2 heures 5. It is 2 o'clock 5. What do you understand? It is 2:05. 2 hours 5. 2 hours 5. 2:05. Il est 5 heures moins 10. Be careful. 5 o'clock less 10. What does it mean? 5 o'clock less 5. So 4:50. It's 4:50. You can even say 4:50. Instead of telling 10 minutes to 5, you can even say 4 hours 50 minutes. How do you say that? 5 heures 50. 4 heures. 4 o'clock 50 minutes. So 4 heures 50. That also you can say. 10 o'clock, 10 minutes less 5 o'clock can be told 4 o'clock 50 minutes. Anyway, the next one, il est 10 heures, here, il est 10 heures, et quart. 10 minutes, 10 o'clock and quarter. What is quarter? 15 minutes. 10:15. 10 and quarter. 15 minutes. You can even say 10 hours 15 minutes. These are 15. That's also correct. Next one, these are a demi. 10 and half. These are a demi. This is quarter, this is half. 10:30. These are 3 quarts. 10 hours 3 quarters. What is 3 quarters? 45 minutes. Quarters. Beware of this, yes, 3 quarters. 10 o'clock, 3 quarters. That is 10:45. 10:45. You can say in another way, this 10:45 you can say in another way. How do you say? 11 o'clock less quarter. What is 11 o'clock less quarter? 10:45. 11h moins le quart. Beware of this le. When you write moins less, you should write le quart. Here you don't write le, here you don't write le, here you don't write le. Le. Here you should write le. When you write, say less the quarter. Understand? That is quarter to 11 o'clock. What is quarter to 11 o'clock? 10:45. 10:45. Two ways of telling in all any time. Il est midi. What is il est midi? It's noon. What do you understand from noon? Day. 12 o'clock. Daytime. Il est minuit. Minuit. Midnight. What do you understand? Night. Night time. Midnight. 12 o'clock. Noon. 12 o'clock. Night. And what is day in French? Le jour. Le jour is day. Bonjour. You remember bonjour. Bon means good. Jour means day. Good day. Bonjour. Good day. Morning. Okay. Jour, day. La nuit. La nuit means, tell me, night. Minuit. Midnight. Midday. Midday. Midnight. Nuit. Nuit is feminine. It's not ending in E, exception. Night. And what is AM and PM? We say I go to school at 9 AM. I come back from the school at 5 PM. What is AM and PM? In French, du matin, of the morning. 9h du matin. 9h, 9 o'clock, du matin, AM. 9 AM. Du soir, 5h du soir. Okay, 5 o'clock PM. Du soir, of the evening, of the morning. That is AM and PM. Then what is AM and PM in English? Tell me. What is in English? AM. Ante-meridiem. It's a Latin word, derived from Latin. Ante-meridiem. AM. Ante-meridiem. It's a Latin, derived from Latin. And post-meridiem. Post-meridiem. Meridiem is midday. Meridiem means midday. Ante means before. Post means after. Before midday, after midday. AM, PM. Ante-meridiem, post-meridiem. Okay, with that we wind up this class. You just try to understand. Most of the words you know, here only a few words are new. Most of the words you know how to express, how to convey. The time, it's very important. Every day to day life we use this one. And try to understand how to, it's not difficult, it's easy only. And we'll meet in the next class. Okay, à plus tard. À plus tard. What is à plus tard? See you later. À demain. See you tomorrow. Au revoir. Merci.